right, so this thing is a convertible. Hold this button here. Let's see what happens. Oh, here we go. You got to have your foot on the brake, and now it's doing its thing. This is neat. Okay, wow, look at that. Convertible Chevy SSR. This is getting better. All right, so believe it or not, you know, it actually is a very comfortable vehicle. The seats are really comfortable. Leg room is fine. I mean, there you go, look at that. Got plenty of leg room, I'm 6 foot. Headroom's fine. You know, the design of the vehicle, it kind of makes it for a comfortable interior. So I like that. The steering wheel feels nice. It's in beautiful shape, 94,000 miles, you can't beat that. And let's pull it across the street over there and take a look at her and see how she looks on the outside. Whew, wait till you see it. This red right here really looks nice. Hello everybody and welcome to Southern Motor Company. Today I'm going to be showing you this gorgeous 2005 Chevrolet SSR that we have here for sale. This one has just around 94,000 miles on it and it's in pristine condition. It's absolutely gorgeous. Under the hood is the 6.0 liter V8. Plenty of power to have a lot of fun while driving this one down the roads of beautiful Charleston, South Carolina. I'm gonna walk around a little bit, let you see the exterior body. That red paint looks so good. You do have the chrome alloy wheels with Eagle tires by Goodyear with plenty of tread on them. 19-inch wheels with a 255/45 series tire. Also comes with the tinted windows, and if you didn't know, it's actually a hardtop convertible as well. And we'll show you how all that works here shortly in the video. It is a truck, believe it or not. Yeah, it really is. But it's kind of like a truck and a car mixed together. And you'll see what we're talking about in just a minute. But the hatch in the back, or the tailgate as we would call it, actually drops down. And there is plenty of storage in the back there. Does have dual exhaust. Looking good though, right? Oh, she sure is looking good. Wow. You know, Southern Motor Company's been around since 2010, and they love keeping unique vehicles just like this for sale at the store here. Any given day of the week, you can stop by and find something that's a little bit different than all the other cars on the road. Now, this one does have the black leather interior, power windows, power mirrors, power door locks, even has heated seats, memory seats, and all that good stuff. Side curtain airbags, kind of like a Roadster, right? There is no back seats, just two-seater here, but the interior is in really nice shape. Go ahead and let you look at that. Seats are looking good, no rips, no tears. Another thing I like about it is someone added in a really nice Pioneer head unit right there. So that gives you the opportunity of having Bluetooth cell phone system, Sirius XM satellite radio. It does have an automatic transmission. And on the steering wheel, it has seek, volume, MID controls for the center screen there, and all that good stuff. AC blows cold, and she runs like a dream. All right, for the next part, I'm going to open up the rear, let you see that, and show you how to operate the convertible top.